In the Enscape window, we have a similar function to the toolbar. Is the Enscape Asset Library. Enscape Asset Library has been updated. Its interface is updated in the latest version of Enscape. It turns into an asset library that is part of Chaos. We call this Chaos Cosmos with this logo. This is in Chaos ecosystem that we can take advantage of it a lot. And the condition of this is that we focus on the tools on the left. And we will find out more about Chaos Asset Library in the next lesson. For tools at the top, we consider as transform tools that we can select, move, rotate, and scale. These tools work on assets that we have already applied. When we stand on Tool Select, we can select an object. Move tool we can also select. And we will see this option that allows us to rotate. And move object. Only when we go into the rotate option, we can rotate on 3 axes. And we can scale the object. Once we modify the object, and until we apply change. Only then does our object change. But if we discard all, yes, it will return to the original condition. And in this, the important thing is the bottom, called placement tool. This function is single placement. The bottom is multi-placement. The following tool is delete. And this option is optional. When we select any asset, we will see this option activate. We click on this, it will delete. Or we use keyboard delete key. Same until we apply change. Then we remove the object, we discard it and return to the original condition. When we select any asset, we click on this means it will download, and we see a tick on this. Yes, we have downloaded. And the option it works is single placement. We see the single placement highlight tool. Then we can click to add asset. Similarly, we click on apply change. We can see the assets are in the scene. Another tool is multi-placement. Activate multi-placement tool. And at the bottom we classify it. Up front is how to use asset. Or we call it scatter. That we have different ways of scattering. Rectangular, circular bucket. Brush, and this is the remove option. And we can see the eraser tool. Work only in brush mode, that means until we use a brush to scatter object, then we can use brush remove. The middle part is the asset, that means when we select asset, it will display in this place. And we see a tick on this means we select. Deselect all. The next option deals with how to scatter. We have a distribution and randomization. Last section deals with preview. and apply change to scene. This case when we use rectangular selection, we click 2 points to create. We can reduce or increase its size. We see this place when we work on any tool. The other option is disable. Unless we apply change, only then we can work on other tools. All its tools are the same. What is different is the type it scatter. We watch with its scatter mode. Distribution with asset density. It is related to the amount of assets. We have an option. Allow asset overlap asset that it touches, it will be able to scatter. The bottom is how to scatter. Random jitter or uniform. Uniform is like this grid. Jitter is similar, but its space is not equal. We usually use random. Our objects scatter on a large surface natural. Randomization. By default is it tick randomize rotation. Means our scene when our scatter auto scatter. With rotation, but scale and with this option tilting. Preview selected area when we tick. Yes, we can see our object. See what it scatter on our scene. So we see it scatter like that. When we modify it, it returns to its original state. Preview is it will show us. Regenerate is it will random. Let us look at other conditions. That means it changes position, changes size. Confirm placement. That means we are okay with our scene. Apply change. And we see another tool is enabled. Same with circular selection. Is a circular scatter. Its tools are the same. Discard placement. Bucket selection. It is working with the material. When we click on any material, it will scatter on a material surface. Its tools are all the same. With the new tool that will help us is brush. This is a new feature just available in Enscape. We can place asset faster. We can use eraser tool to remove. Click Regenerate, it will provide us with another option. Confirm placement, apply change.